Okay guys, ever wanted a powerful way to actually prove your product works instead of just claiming it does? Well, this section makes that possible instantly. Today we're adding this before and after section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK before and after number 3. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchased sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK before and after number 3, and choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. Here I get 3 different layout options, and I'll go with the second one just to see if this one actually works well too. There's the main heading, which I'll adjust slightly. The width is already set to max, and I can also decide how many columns I want. 3 is the default, so I'll leave that as it is. Below that, you'll find the section's colors, which you can adjust based on your own preference. The default colors already match my store's theme fairly well, but you can still easily change them if you'd like. Once that's done, close this and click on Any Comparison. This is where I want to show my actual results, so I've already downloaded these reference images for it. I'll add them one by one across all 3 cards. You'll do the same for yours. Right now, you might notice double before and after text showing up here. That's just because of the placeholder images. It won't show up like that on your end once you add your own. Once you're happy with everything, hit Save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.